News now from Uttar Pradesh, where a political war has erupted over changes that have been brought to UP labour laws. Remember, the labour laws have been changed recently, and this is seen as a move to help industry and to help units. However, it's also led to a lot of uproar. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra of the Congress has said cancel the change in UP labour laws. The UP government has said the opposition is shedding crocodile tears. Well, let's go across to Alok Pandey for more on this. Before that, let's just take a look at what the labour minister had to say.
जो श्रमिकों के लिए घड़ियाली आंसू बहा रहे हैं, शायद उनको ये नहीं पता कि हमने नए निवेश के रास्ते को खोलते वक्त श्रमिकों के हितों को ध्यान में रखा है। यानी श्रमिकों के हितों की रक्षा करते हुए हमने अलग से निवेश के माध्यम से, नए निवेश के माध्यम से और पुराने बंद पड़े मिल कारखानों उद्योग को चलाने के लिए, रोजगार ज्यादा से ज्यादा सृजित करने के लिए, श्रमिकों को ज्यादा से ज्यादा नियोजित करने के लिए, प्रवासी श्रमिकों को भी उत्तर प्रदेश में ही भिन्न भिन्न नए निवेश मिल कारखानों उद्योगों के माध्यम से सेवा आयोजित करने के लिए यह अध्यादेश लाया है।
Well, let's go across to Alok for more. And Alok, there has been quite an uproar over this dilution of, labour laws in Uttar Pradesh, and it's become a political issue as well, with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra asking them to take it back. However, the government, they're arguing that this actually is going to attract more investment in the state.
Well, yes, Gargi, you're absolutely right. I think, can I just start by saying that all of this is happening in the name of migrant workers, whereas it is a fact, and we have seen in the last 45 days, that, at the end of the day, successive governments, and all of us perhaps, have failed to provide even the basic dignity and basic right to life to a lot of our migrant workers in different states and different cities. That said, the government, the UP government here says that what they have done is that they have diluted a large section of the labour laws that were in place in Uttar Pradesh for 1,000 days, for about 3 years. So many laws that relate to, the working conditions of workers, perhaps the amount of work that they need to put in a particular day, trade unions, contract workers, all of those are going to remain suspended. The government says this is necessary because their agenda is to revive businesses and industries across the state as we exit the lockdown in the next few days or perhaps fortnight or month. They say that is the agenda, and to incentivize businesses, factories, industries, they need to give some sort of relaxations to labour laws, otherwise business will not revive. The opposition says that is not correct and that this is quote-unquote agenda, and they feel that this dilution of labour laws is being done to facilitate a certain section of society, whereas workers who may have come back from the state, from different states, or workers who are in Uttar Pradesh, they at the end of the day are going to be at the receiving end of what will be a dilution in their working conditions. For instance, the new set of laws, or the laws that only remain in prevalence now, will mean that, factory workers get to define perhaps how many hours a migrant worker, or a worker for that matter, needs to put in a certain day, on a particular day. So it certainly is a tug of war. We haven't heard the last of it. The ordinance that has been passed by the government needs to be cleared by the centre. So there's going to be more on this in the next few days, and perhaps an even more slanging match, if I can say that, between the opposition and the government.